Laptop cash in 12 hours, no experience necessary. Hey, in this video I'm going to show you some ways that you can make money without any experience whatsoever. I mean quick and easy money. Now if you're looking to replace your daytime job, that's going to take a little bit more effort, but if you're just looking for some quick ways to make some quick cash, this is the video for you, and we're starting right now. Hey, I'm JR Fisher. I've been selling online since 2009. I've sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products, and on this channel, which is your channel, this channel is for you because this is the tips and tricks and techniques that I've used to generate millions of dollars online. So if you have an idea or you have a question, don't forget to put it in the comment section below, and when you do that, maybe I'll do a video on that particular subject, and if nothing else, I will answer your question, so put that in there too. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. There's a big subscribe button there. When you click that subscribe button, a bell's going to pop up. It's going to look like this. It's going to sound like that too. You need to click that bell and turn on all notifications. When you do that, I'll be able to notify you every single time I do a new video, and you're not left out in the cold. You don't have to go searching for it, right? You'll be part of the Fisher family, part of the VIP group that gets notified every time I do a video. I also want to give you a gift at the end of this video. There's a $97 course that you're going to want to have, but I'm going to give it to you absolutely free just for watching this video. Okay, let's get going. I want to go through a list of different things you can do to generate money right now and earn money in the next 12 hours. Now the first thing you could do is test websites. People build websites and they need people to test them. They need to see how good that website's operating, how smooth it operates, how it works, and they want to be able to do that before they put it out to the general public. So you want to go to a website called usertesting.com. At usertesting.com you can actually sign up and test people's websites for them by looking at the websites, clicking around there. Now this doesn't pay a whole lot of money. It may be $10 to $20 an hour, but if you're sitting there in front of your TV and you want to take in a little bit of money while you're watching your favorite TV show, usertesting.com is a great place to go. Number two, next way to make money online is through taking surveys. Companies have surveys out there to figure out what the general public wants, and you can actually take these surveys and generate money. The first one, and probably one of the most popular, is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a great website to sign up and take surveys on companies, and you'll get paid for taking these surveys. Now keep in mind you have to qualify for the type of survey because not everybody's going to match every type of survey, but the ones you do qualify for you can get paid on. There's another website called Pinecone Research. You can go to that website, and there you can also take surveys and get paid there. Number three, watch videos. That's it. All you gotta do is watch videos. Could it be that easy? Actually, it is that easy. There is a website you can go to and sign up, and if you just watch videos, they will pay you. Now it's not a whole lot of money, it's not tons of money, you're not going to get rich. However, what could be more mindless than just watching videos? The website's called Inbox Dollars. All you have to do is go there and sign up, and you can start watching videos and make money. I think some of you are already watching videos and probably not getting paid for it. So if you go to this website and sign up, at least you get paid. Now the next ones I'm going to tell you about require a little bit more engagement, but you can make a little bit more money. So let's jump into those. Number four is run Facebook ads for local businesses. Local businesses want to run ads, they want to do this stuff, and all you've got to do is get a little bit of skills in this area. Now I actually have a course on Facebook ads. You'll find a link in the description below there. You could actually go through that course and start running ads for businesses, little restaurants and nail salons and hair salons, plumbing companies, electrical companies, gardening companies. All these little companies in your town would love to be able to generate more leads and make more money, but they don't know how to run ads. They don't have time to run ads. They're too busy running their business. So all you have to do is pick up a few of those skills. You can make a lot of money. Running Facebook ads for business, you can charge them $500, $1,500, $2,000 a month. Now imagine if you had 5 or 10 businesses you were doing that for. The next one's super easy. I mean super easy. It's teaching English online. That's number 5. Now if you are an English speaker, that's your native language, that is actually a worldwide language now. In a lot of countries these people want to learn English and they need an economical way to do it, so you can actually teach online. There's a website called VIP Kid. If you go to VIP Kid, you can actually sign up there and start teaching English. You're not going to make a ton of money, but you will make money for something that's pretty easy to do. Don't worry, you don't need a degree in English or anything like that, or education, and it can pay you up to $22 an hour for just teaching English. Number 6, write and sell an ebook. this is really a lot easier than you think. Pick a subject that's popular and put together an ebook. Now what I've done in the past is I've actually hired some writers to do stuff for me. So you could go to something like textbroker.com, you could do an outline of what you want in the book, and you can have somebody actually write the book for you, or you can write it yourself. Another way I've written books is to do an outline, and as I'm driving down the road I just talk about all those different subjects. Once I do that, I send that file over to rev.com, and at rev.com they will transcribe what I said into text. I give it to an editor, they edit it, and boom, I've got another book. Number 7, be a virtual assistant. This is a great thing to do. A lot of people need a virtual assistant, and they'll pay anywhere from $500 to $1,000, sometimes $2,000 a month for somebody to do their virtual assistant work. Now I know virtual assistants who will be a virtual assistant for 5 or 10 different people. So if you're getting, you know, $1,000 a month or $800 a month, and you've got 10 people paying you that, that's a lot of money. Number 8, get paid to post on Pinterest. A lot of businesses, a lot of individuals who are influencers need posts on a daily basis on Pinterest. It's very, very time consuming, and they don't have the time for it. But if you're doing that and that is your job, you can just contact these people and say, hey, I'll do the posts for you. You supply me the stuff, I'll put all of that up for you. In many cases, all you're doing is posting things they give you. If you're having to create something, you can charge a whole lot more, but many people are making $20, $30, $40, $50 an hour by doing posts for individuals or businesses on Pinterest. Number 9, make money as a transcriptionist. Remember just a minute ago I said, you know, I'll take my audio and send it over to this company called rev.com. Well, rev.com actually hires people to do the transcription, so you can actually sign up at rev.com to be somebody who transcribes these things, to listen and just type it out. Pretty simple work. Number 10, find freelance jobs on fiverr.com. You could go to fiverr.com and you can say, hey, these are the services I provide. I write, I can do voiceovers for you, I can build web pages for you, I can do sales page, whatever it is your talent is. And if you don't think you have a talent, you need to go to fiverr.com and look at all the things that people are charging for. It will amaze you. You probably have one of those talents, if not many of them right now. You can also start a freelance business. That's number 11. Freelance business is certain tasks that businesses need, but they don't necessarily know how to do it. They don't want to hire somebody full-time to do it. One of those things could be building websites. You know, maybe you want to build websites. If you don't think you know how to build a website, or you think it's really difficult to do, search my channel, because I have a video there that shows you how to build a website in 28 minutes. So imagine you charge somebody $500 or $1,000 and you build a website in 28 minutes. That's pretty good income. You can also do things like graphic design, you can do ads, you could do logos, all these types of things, and there's many softwares that will actually do that for you. You can also get a free Canva account and build your graphics in there. A lot of businesses need ads done, they need logos done, they need all types of different graphics done, and you can offer your services to do those things. Maybe you're good at photography, okay, so maybe you can edit photos, maybe you can take pictures, you can do all of this online for your clients and make a great income. Now, one of the biggest things that businesses need is writing. They need content, they need blogs, they need all this writing done. So maybe you're good at writing. I would suggest that you can freelance do it. You can put yourself up on Fiverr, but you can also go to something like TextBroker and list your name there, and people will actually put jobs in there, and you can get jobs off that. Now if you want to put a little bit more effort into it, number 13, start an e-commerce business. It's not that hard to do. You set up a Shopify store, you integrate it with AliExpress using Oberlo, and boom, you've got a Shopify store. You can sell products from China, you can drop ship these products. It doesn't cost you a dime to list these products, and you collect the money up front, then you pay your supplier, your distributor, your manufacturer, and they ship it out. So you just keep the profit between those 2 points. Number 14, start a YouTube channel. Oh my gosh, YouTube is growing leaps and bounds. Now I know some of you out there are going to say, well, there's so many people already on YouTube, and that's true, and there's a lot of channels, there's a lot of videos, but you're watching me right now on YouTube, okay? So if I'm doing it, there must be a reason why I'm doing it, okay? And there's several ways you can get paid on YouTube. You can get paid through ads that run on my videos. I can get paid from, you know, things I put in my description down there. Maybe I'm selling products. I can do reviews of other products, and I can have affiliate links. If you noticed in my descriptions down there, I have a lot of affiliate links for different products, different equipment I'm using right now to shoot this video. So there's a lot of different ways to make money on YouTube without just running ads on my videos. So that should give you a pretty good overview of some things you can do. There's no need there's just no need for you to stay on your job if you don't want to. Or if you've got those extra bills, those extra credit cards, maybe there's a vacation, maybe there's a boat you want. There are ways to make extra money right now. People in the economy will tell you the job market's bad and there's high unemployment. They're always going to say that. They've always said that. They've always told you the job market's bad. But the point is, now we have the internet. We don't have to depend on the job market. We can depend on ourselves. We can actually use our skills to make money. And if you don't have the skills, you can watch videos and get the skills and then go out there and make money. There's always somebody willing to hire you to help their business, to help them as an individual. I know I get these calls all the time for people who need assistance. I've done coaching in the past. I had one client that paid me $63,000 for 90 days worth of work, and that equated to about 2 or 3 hours a week. So that was pretty good money. My coaching now goes anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000 an hour, which is pretty good. And I don't do that much of it. You say, well, man, I would do that all day long. It takes up too much of my time, and there's so many other things I could do to generate an income without having to use my personal time. I have a lot of courses out there, and people pay monthly to have membership into those courses, so I can spend hours making a course, or days or months, but that course is there forever and people can pay for it forever. So a lot of times I'll do courses that is a bigger return to me than actually doing one-on-one coaching. So think about all the things you could do. Don't sit there and go, oh my gosh, I got too many bills, I can't make it, I can't go on that vacation, I can't go visit my family. Yes, you can. There's ways to make money out there. Watch some more videos on my channel here. Just do that. Watch this next video I'm putting up here. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on notifications, turn on all bell notifications. Grab that course below. It's a $97 course, limited time, absolutely free. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.